Here are 3 simple recipes healthy tiffin idea for kids' lunch box. 1. Whole grain sandwich recipe. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread. 4. 6 ounces of lean protein turkey or chicken slices. 1 cup lettuce leaves, washed and dried. 2 slices of tomato. Mustard or your favorite healthy spread optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients, lay out the slices of whole grain bread on a clean surface. 2. Add lean protein, place the lean protein turkey or chicken slices evenly on one of the slices of bread. 3. A layer with veggies, add a layer of fresh lettuce leaves on top of the protein. Place tomato slices over the lettuce. 4. Optional spread, if desired, spread a thin layer of mustard or your favorite healthy spread on the other slice of bread. 5. Assemble the sandwich, gently press the second slice of bread onto the layered ingredients, creating a sandwich. 6. Cut and serve, if preferred, you can cut the sandwich into halves or quarters for easier handling. Serve immediately or pack it into a lunchbox for later. Additional tips: you can customize the sandwich by adding other vegetables like cucumber, bell peppers, or avocado for extra flavor and nutrition. Choose lean cuts of protein to keep the sandwich light and healthy. If packing for lunch, consider wrapping the sandwich in parchment paper or placing it in a reusable container to keep it fresh. This whole grain sandwich provides a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and vegetables, making it a nutritious and satisfying option for a wholesome lunch. 2. Vegetable wrap recipe ingredients. Whole grain tortillas 1 per wrap, 1 2-cup hummus, 1 2-cup mixed colorful veggies, bell peppers, carrots, cucumber, julienne optional, spinach or lettuce leaves, salt and pepper to taste optional toppings, feta cheese, olives, or a drizzle of olive oil. Instructions: 1. Prepare the veggies, wash and julienne the colorful veggies. You can also use a mix of your favorite vegetables. 2. Warm the tortillas. If the tortillas are not flexible, you can warm them slightly in a dry pan or microwave for a few seconds to make them pliable. 3. Spread hummus. Lay out the tortillas on a clean surface. Spread a generous layer of hummus evenly over each tortilla, leaving a border around the edges. 4. Add veggies. Place the julienne veggies in the center of each tortilla, on top of the hummus. 5. Optional additions: if you like, add a handful of spinach or lettuce leaves on top of the veggies for extra freshness. 6. Season and garnish. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste over the veggies. Add optional toppings like crumbled feta cheese or olives for added flavor. 7. Wrap it up. Fold the sides of the tortilla toward the center, and then roll it up tightly from the bottom, creating a wrap. 8. Serve or pack. You can serve the vegetable wraps immediately or wrap them in parchment paper for later. Optionally, you can slice them in half diagonally for easier handling. Additional tips: experiment with different hummus flavors for variety. Feel free to customize the veggies based on personal preferences. For a protein boost, you can add grilled chicken strips or chickpeas to the wrap. This vegetable wrap is not only nutritious, but also a great way to enjoy a variety of colorful vegetables in a convenient and tasty format. 3. Fruit salad with yogurt recipe ingredients: 2 cups mixed fruits, berries, kiwi, banana, etc. Washed and chopped. 1 cup plain low-fat yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup optional. For sweetness, 1 cup granola optional, for crunch. Instructions: 1. Prepare the fruits, wash and chop the fruits into bite-sized pieces. You can use a mix of berries, kiwi, banana, or any other fruits you prefer. 2. Mix yogurt. In a mixing bowl, add the plain low-fat yogurt. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add honey or maple syrup to the yogurt and mix well. 3. Combine fruits. Add the chopped fruits to the yogurt. Gently toss the fruits in the yogurt until they are well coated. 4. Optional crunch. If you like some crunch in your fruit salad, sprinkle granola on top. This adds a nice texture and additional flavor. 5. Serve. Divide the fruit salad into individual serving bowls or glasses. 6. Drizzle and garnish. Optionally, drizzle a bit more honey or maple syrup on top for extra sweetness. Garnish with a mint leaf or a sprinkle of cinnamon if desired. 7. Chill optional. You can refrigerate the fruit salad for a short time before serving if you prefer it chilled. 8. Enjoy. Serve the fruit salad immediately and enjoy this refreshing and healthy treat. Additional tips: be creative with the fruit combinations, use seasonal fruits for the best flavor. Adjust the sweetness according to your preference by adding more or less honey or maple syrup. Feel free to add nuts like almonds or walnuts for extra crunch and nutrition. This fruit salad with yogurt is a delightful and nutritious option, perfect for a refreshing snack or a light dessert. The mentioned recipes offer several benefits for kids. 1. Nutrient-rich ingredients. These recipes incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, providing essential nutrients for growth and development. 2. Balanced nutrition. The combinations of ingredients ensure a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, supporting overall nutritional needs. 3. Fiber for digestive health. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables in these recipes contribute to fiber intake, promoting healthy digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. 4. Supports energy levels. The inclusion of complex carbohydrates and proteins helps sustain energy levels throughout the day, which is crucial for active kids. 5. Bone health. Calcium-rich ingredients like yogurt and cheese in some recipes contribute to bone health, aiding in the development of strong and healthy bones. 6. Encourages healthy eating habits. Introducing a variety of colorful and tasty foods can encourage kids to develop a positive attitude toward nutritious eating, fostering lifelong healthy habits. 7. Versatility and customization. These recipes are versatile, allowing for customization based on individual preferences and dietary needs. 8. Visual appeal. The visually appealing presentations and diverse colors in the recipes can make the meals more enticing for children, promoting interest in healthier food choices. Remember to consider any specific dietary needs or allergies that individual children may have and adjust the recipes accordingly. Additionally, involving kids in the preparation process can make them more excited about trying new and healthy foods.